Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mohz Khan. So this is the budget smartwatch from Xiaomi and it only comes in at 180 dirhams, which is equal to $50 and that is a very good price for a smartwatch. So in today's video, let's quickly unbox it and I'll share my first impressions, and I'm also curious to see how well it pairs with an iPhone because I am an iPhone user. This is not an Apple product, so I really want to see how well it pairs and works with an iPhone. And for today's video, I'm going to try and pair it with this iPhone X that I have right here. So the box itself is pretty sleek and smart, as you guys can see, and yes, it does come in black. On the front you have the image of the watch itself, and then on the back you have all the features of the smartwatch. So yes, the main thing is it comes with built-in GPS. It has multiple fitness modes. It is water resistant up to 50 meters. It has a 1.4-inch HD touchscreen and a 24 hours heart rate monitoring. We'll go into all of that in this video. For now, let's unbox it. And there we go guys, that is the watch itself. And we'll come back to this in just a minute, but first let's see what else we have right inside the box. Alright guys, so obviously we have the little manual right there. We have the charging case, and this is a snap type charging case, and then we have the cable as well, and that is pretty much all we have in the box. All right, let's get this out of the way and talk about the watch itself. Just look at this guys, it is so light and sleek. And then the band, it's an all black band made of TPU, and it's also water resistant along with the watch up to 50 meters. So you can very easily take it swimming or diving with you. And now for the most satisfying part. And there we go guys. Just look at that. That is such a beautiful watch. And honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be this light. So on to my first impressions. Now, obviously, it has a very similar design to the Apple Watch, as you can see right here. Same shape along with the curved edges. And I absolutely love that compared to the circular smartwatches that you get in the market. So obviously, you have to remember that this watch comes in at only $50, and for that price, it is absolutely incredible. You even have the heart rate monitor right here, as you can see. Alright guys, now let's turn it on. So obviously the first thing that the watch asks you to do is scan the QR code and download the app that comes along with it. And now this is the interesting part. I want to see how well it pairs with an iPhone right here. So let's go ahead and start pairing it. Alright, so obviously it's asking me to make a Xiaomi account. Let me go ahead and do that, and then we'll continue this video. So we have completed the setup of the Mi Watch Lite app, and it asks you just a couple of information about your height, weight and all of that, because it will track all your fitness goals. Once you completed that, it is showing you your workout history as well as your sleep data. So you have running, you have treadmill mode, walking mode, outdoor cycling mode. So as you can see guys, so far the pairing process with the iPhone X has been quite simple and quite easy. I haven't had any problems so far. Now it's asking me to select a watch face, and there are 120 different watch faces that you can actually use with this. It's already updating the GPS automatically, as you can see right here. So the screen is quite sharp. It's a very nice screen. The text, the color that I'm seeing right now, it's really good and looks quite high definition. So I'm not covering the full features of this watch in today's video, but if I do get enough comments about it down below, then I will do another video in which we can go over all the features that the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite has to offer. There's a white on black thing happening right here with this watch, and that gives it this really nice sleek look, and it's actually very clear to look at it and read. I can read everything very clearly. We can measure the heart rate, and of course let's go ahead and put it on. So obviously it has the raise to wake feature, and that is pretty handy and very necessary in a smartwatch, and I'm surprised that a $50 smartwatch also has that feature. I don't think it has any double tap feature though, and then it will very easily measure your heart rate when you have it on. So let's see. There we go. So we don't have any sleep data yet obviously, and then it's giving me the temperature right now along with the approximate location. Now I think we'll have to go into settings and change this because the screen's turning off very quickly, more quickly than I would like. You can also play your music right from here, which is a very handy feature again. This watch is also very helpful for tracking all your calories and how many steps you've taken, and you can set the faces. So let's see what we have. We have this, we have a modular design, we have these tracks, we have a simple version right here. So for example, if I just wanted it to be a simple one, there you go. And that, guys, looks very, very sleek, to be honest. You know what, I'm gonna stick to this one because it looks really, really nice. We don't have any notifications right now, but as we get notifications on the phone, they are going to start popping up over here as well. And let's go into the settings. So we have the watch faces, the brightness. We can turn on auto adjust, so it will save more battery. There's a do not disturb mode. There's a raise to wake. You can adjust the sensitivity. And you know what, guys, I said I won't go through all of the features, but we are pretty much covering the main features. So now we have the apps. So guys, the main thing to note is that this watch is not a direct replacement of the Apple Watch. There's a huge price difference between this watch and the Apple Watch. This will cost you, I think, only around 15% of what an Apple Watch would cost you. So why would you buy this, and what would be your main usage of this? Number one is general notifications. If you just want a nice, good, sleek smartwatch which gives you your general notifications without having to touch your phone all the time, then this watch will do that. Number two is fitness. It has built-in GPS and it is 50 meters waterproof, which means you can do a lot of different fitness routines wearing this watch, and it will track all of it with ease. And then obviously the third thing is the budget. If you don't want to dish out a heavy amount from your pocket for an Apple Watch, then you can definitely consider getting this one. Now in terms of battery life, Xiaomi claims that this will give you 9 days of battery life on a single charge. I'm yet to try it out for myself. When I do that, I will post it in my Instagram stories and let you know how many days did I actually get out of this watch. I'm guessing 7 to 8 days. I'm surprised. I was expecting it to be heavy or bulky or not as premium as an Apple Watch, but although it does have a plasticky feel to it, it's still really, really good. I really like it. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and if you're in the market looking for a budget smartwatch, then this one right here is quite a catch. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button and leave a comment down below if you are team Apple or team Android. And what do you think about this smartwatch? How does it look? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time with another one. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.